years ago, I was broke. I was tired of searching for how to make money in Nigeria and seeing the same things that didn't work. I was just tired. So over time, I started to try different side hustles to see what worked and what didn't. So today, I'll tell you about 5 easy side hustles that you can do in Nigeria that actually pays well. This is like no bullshit type of thing, no BS, just real strategies that you are going to make money from. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is social media management. This was where I first started. I noticed that business owners they were getting tired of replying their DMs, posting, like they just did not have enough time to like focus on the business itself. So I offered to like help them do the job, help them post, help them reply their DMs, help them comment, and I get paid for it. That's the social media management. I remember I started this way back in 2020 when I really like quick things to be doing when we could not leave our house. I started social media management, and guess what, you guys? A lot of people are now making lots of money from social media management. Now it is now a big deal. Like they're not just paying pennies like I was paid in 2020. People are now making like full-time income around social media management. They're even employing people. So it's actually quite easy to do. You can take a few courses online, but if you are somebody that is quite conversant with Instagram, you are used to Instagram, TikTok, you know what works, you know what is going to trend, you know how to respond to DMs, just basically everything. You can actually pick out trends. You should try out social media management. All you have to do is like find small businesses that you know that they need help, pitch to them, offer to manage their social media pages for them. You can use free tools like Canva, like CapCut, and then you can be earning as much as 200k per month. And some people do not just manage one page, they manage pages for multiple businesses. So imagine getting like 100k to manage somebody's social media page, then you have like 3 clients a month. That is already 300,000. This is one major side hustle that work. In fact, it might not be a side hustle at this point, it might be like a major full-time career. This second one is mini importation. I did this when I was in, I think, 300 level, yeah, before Corona. I learned how to import from China. Then I started importing from China. What I sold was jewelry, shoes, and bags. So you can start this business with as low as 50,000. You just need to know how to like use Alibaba or 1688.com, because their product is quite cheap, and when you convert it to naira, from yuan to naira, it is quite cheap. All you just have to do is like you know how to pick the right products that people are going to want to buy. Like have that little upfront capital, like 50k, and you guys, you can make a lot of money. Like you can sell products that on the website you are buying for 2,000 naira, and then you come to Nigeria and you're selling it for 10k, you're selling it for 15k. Like I see a lot of people make lots of money from mini importation. And let me bust your brain, you guys. Apart from the fact that you can actually like source for products, sell them, that's not the only thing you can do. You can also teach people how to import from China and then get paid to do it. You can take one-on-one consultation to teach people how to import from China, how to like source for good products, how to not get scammed. Like there are just a lot of ways. I'm seeing a lot of ways to like make money from this mini importation. I've personally done it myself. Maybe I should even go back to it. And when you can sell, you can open up Instagram page, you can open up, it's quite easy to now sell on TikTok now, or just on your WhatsApp status. Like I know a lot of people that they do not even like post on Instagram or TikTok like that, but every day on their WhatsApp status, that is what they do. You always see it. If people know that okay, you sell certain things, eventually somebody's going to come to you and you're going to get paid. Like that is like one side of that I know that works. The third one that I'm currently doing myself is UGC, which is user generated content. So basically you create content for brands and you don't necessarily have to post it on your page. So this one does not require you to like have followers or have engagement, because you're not going to be posting it on your own page. No, the brands are going to be posting it on their own page. All the brands have to do is you can come up with content strategy for the brand, or like content ideas like, oh, I see your brand is lacking in this area, this area, this area, I would like to like create a video for you, and you create the video for them, the brand loves it, you get paid. Like people are not even doing it on YouTube. So in case somebody is watching, I can also help you create content and be user generated content. So if you need help, reach out to me at reachheyaderonke@gmail.com. I can help you with your views, TikTok, scripting, yeah, everything user generated content. I'm your girl. And people make lots of money from this. Like you can charge as high as 100k per video, 150k per video, 200k per video. It just depends on the scope of the project. If like it's just product review, if it is demo, if it is, there are a lot of things you can just do with user generated content. I'm not even kidding. And people even do it on YouTube as well. So you can help people like create content for their channel. You don't necessarily have to post those content on your own channel, but you can do it from their own channel. So you can do like this voiceover for them, or the like script reading, or just like scripting for them. Like that is also part of UGC. Like somebody wants to start a channel now, they don't know what to start or how to script, you help them with scripting. I also do that as well, so don't forget me. The fourth one is YouTube automation channel. Yes, this one is like a no face needed channel, and it is quite easy to do because you do not have to like go through the stress of recording, scripting. AI can do that for you. You can use AI to script, you can use AI to edit, you can even use AI as a voiceover artist. But if you are somebody that you don't really like AI like that, you can also like pay people to do it for you. Like hire a voiceover artist, hire a script writer. If you need a script writer, I'm your girl. Hire a script writer, edit. But if you are camera shy, you don't necessarily have to show your face. All you have to do is like put stock footages, stock videos, and then you will make money. Yeah, faceless channel is the way in 2025 if you are shy. I know a lot of faceless channels that are making lots of money. Yeah, that even me, I'm surprised. The fifth one is definitely affiliate marketing. Like, as much as people do not like to hear about affiliate marketing because they're like, oh my god, it is such a scam because they're not making a lot of money. But if you know how to like sell products to people, you're going to make lots of money. Like, those products don't even have to be your own. They are not even your own because you don't have to go through the stress of creating products yourself. But okay, you have a friend that is teaching people how to like make money online. The friend created a course and you are good at selling to people. All you have to do is like, okay, I'm going to help you sell this course. I'm going to be getting 30% commission for every sale that I make for you. Imagine like, oh, you are the one, you have many friends, so you're telling your other friends like, oh, my friend is currently selling a course for this, and the course is so good, it does this, these are these are the things that you're going to gain from the course. And imagine your other friend bought from you, you are getting like 30% commission just by saying that you're not even the one that created the course. Like, there are a lot of ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing. I'll never not stop talking about affiliate marketing. It's like one of the easiest side hustles to do in 2025. And there are websites that you can sign up for, like Expertmea, like Jumia, like Amazon affiliates, like Clickbank, like Amazon associates, like Clickbank. There are lots of like platforms that you can sign up for. So yeah, if you are tired of being broke, you only need to like pick one of these side hustles to start in 2025, and trust me, you are going to make lots of money. So if you want money making idea, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and of course comment, and see you.